Wonder Hacks. Join me by clicking subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all for notification. Let's rock and roll! For this hack, I have cut and peeled the avocado. Take the avocado and drop it into the all-purpose flour. Toss the flour on the outer surface of avocado and shake off any excess and add it to the egg wash. I'm using one whole egg. Get nicely coated and finally drop it into the dried breadcrumbs. Do the same process to all the pieces. I'm gonna fry the avocado now. Oil looks good. Drop it carefully in the oil. It won't take long time to cook. If we get a perfect golden color, we can take and transfer to the serving plate. The avocado fries look so crispy and yummy. It should be a great snack. It sucks less oil only, so this hack is successful. So yummy! For this hack, I have boiled and mashed 3 small potatoes and crack open 1 egg and adding cornstarch, cheese powder, black pepper and salt. Mix well and finally adding a spoon of milk. Check the dough consistency. Based on that, we can add the milk and again mix together. The mixture is ready now. I'm going to fill this mixture in a Ziploc cover. Make a small hole in the corner of the Ziploc and fix a nozzle in it. Once the oil heated, squeeze the Ziploc and make a round spirals with the batter. Fry till golden color. Flip and cook on both sides. This process is exactly like the jalebi making process. But we should be careful while flipping it because the dough is very soft, so possibilities are there to break. It's getting a perfect color. We can transfer it now. It seems like crispy, but it's not. Taste is very unique but bland. I don't like the taste much, so it's not worth to try. It's busted. For this hack, take an avocado and scoop out. Use ripe avocado. Check the skin color. It should be dark green to nearly black. Smash it using fork. And I am adding 1 spoon of lemon juice and pinch of salt. Just mold them like a small size balls and coated with crushed chips. This is the first time I am using chips for breading. We should be crush the chips properly, then only it will be coated all over the balls. It's ready to eat now, but in hack they did one more step, so we want to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. It's done now. It's time for plating. The outside chips coating is little burned because we used fried chips. If we used breadcrumbs, it should be much better, but the overall taste is good. So we can try the avocado balls rather than eating a raw avocado. So this hack is successful. It's delicious! For this hack, I have sliced potato in thin slices, adding a spoon of paprika. Paprika is less spicy, so I am adding little more. Salt as required. Mix well. Take a cupcake pan and grease some oil. Place the potato slices on the pan. Place it like a flower shape and put some shredded cheese in the center. And I am going to bake this for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, it looks like this. I am adding tomato slices and crack open one egg on the potato and sprinkle some chili flakes over it. Again, we want to bake this for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After baking, it doesn't come out in a perfect shape. Potatoes are very raw. The corners are crispy, but the inside part doesn't cook well. Since I kept for 25 minutes of baking, so this hack is completely busted. Wasted! If you're watching till here, I hope you might have liked the video. So why don't you hit the like button to make the panda happy? And please subscribe to Panda Hacks if you're yet to be part of Panda Hacks family. Bye!